Package-based plans allow selling packages of credits, sessions, or hours to clients. Package-based plans come in two varieties: repeating packs and non-repeating packs. Non-repeating packs will not auto-renew when they run out. New credits must be issued and sold manually, whereas repeating packs will automatically renew when the credits run out. Let's create a non-repeating package here as an example. Under plans, a new package can be created for non-repeating packs. For example, 5 hours for $100 an hour, making it 5 credits, and then for duration-based pricing, 60-minute sessions can be set, keeping in mind the price is the price of the whole package, not the pack price per session. Now, repeating and non-repeating packages have an important concept called duration-based pricing. Duration-based pricing means that for sessions of this length, the total price of the package is this amount. This allows for more flexible pricing if the pricing for packages does not prorate exactly. Let's say a package of 5 30-minute sessions is sold for $300. That configuration can be added here as well. Let's create the plan and then enroll a student in that plan. The 5 hours plan and the instructor can be selected. And then here's where the duration of the package being purchased is selected. This client is purchasing 5 hours for $1,000. It can be seen that $1,000 would be invoiced now. Let's put a few sessions on the calendar. Their sessions can be seen on the calendar here. The credits are now visible on their profile, and it shows that the parent was invoiced for the package. When marking attendance for a session, it shows that a credit was taken from the package. The credit usage log also displays what sessions the credits were used for. As sessions continue to occur and attendance is marked, credits will continue to be deducted. When the credit balance of a package falls to 2 or lower, the business admin will receive a notification that this client is almost out of credits and would be assigned to follow up with the client to see how they'd want to continue their services. When attendance is marked and no available credits are remaining, an error notification will also come up, which will prompt an invoice to the client for additional credits.